Yoda. Look into his eyes. Now tell me how you feel inside. Alright. In my eyes, they tear up every time on my time.
Look,
and here's why.
I never thought that I'd be so caught up in this guy. Why does this little green baby got me so mesmerized? I don't know why. He's so cute, I think that I might die. His ear could poke me in the eye, but I don't think I'm mine. He can just sit there peaceful like my heart is soaring. He got lucky with his babysitter Mandalorian. And I know he's got the force, cause all by his little self took the internet by storm. I need his figure on my shelf. He can sit there and do nothing, he's still so relatable. And he's cuter than a button, I guess that cute is his label. I think now I want kids or something, but will they be adorable? They probably won't turn out green, my luck they be deplorable.
Look into his eyes. Now tell me how you feel